I can't get out. I can't get out. Can't get out. There you'll see it. But I can't get out. So fucked up.
Wow, look like normal size.
Thank you. No. So, I was trying to buy one, but I don't want to. Now I need to buy it. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah. And I'm out. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I just broke it. I broke it. Guess what? I broke it. I broke it. Now my exhaust. So my exhaust now right there. So today I'm gonna be installing a used HKS exhaust on my Evo, and because yesterday I freaking broke my exhaust because I parked a little bit further behind. So let's see. I'll show it to you guys. There you can see it. A little bit brighter right there. I broke it. So fuck up. That happened. So I had this exhaust. It's a used one. It's decent enough. It's a HKS high power muffler.
Perfect.
Oh shit. Auto sensor. It's rusted. Right here, it's rusted. Actually, I'm using size 19. So I bought a new auto sensor because I can't take it out. I'm gonna ship it. I don't have the auto sensor wrench, so I bought a new one and I'm gonna put it right here. And I bought a denso, so it's right. So I put the auto sensor on already right there. You can see it. It's hard to do it by myself. Put it in. Come on, in. So it's not too heavy. And the top. Finally finished installing my exhaust. Look, my hand's dirty. Let's do a first startup. It's not really cold start, but it's good enough. It's done. Okay, I'm gonna try to do baby revs.